All right, welcome back to Dream to Do It Travels. I'm Ryan.
I'm Erin, and today we're at Wilderness Lodge. We are checking in and staying in a Boulder Ridge one-bedroom villa. This is the DVC section that is not attached to the main lodge.
Yeah, we stayed here last year, I guess it was. And if you haven't seen that video, go back and see that one. That one we cover the grounds a little more. This is just basically a room stay, and
Yeah, we'll link that in the description so you can go back and see everything in that video, but this is strictly just the room tour of the Boulder Ridge room. And I'll insert some pictures, but I just wanted to let you know this room is going to be a little different. I kind of looked it up after we got a room assignment, and this is one where we're going to have the enclosed balcony and the, I don't know, what would you call that, where the ceilings...
it's just like a sloped ceiling.
Yeah, like a sloped ceiling. So even though these rooms were recently remodeled, we are not going to have a Murphy bed. We are going to have a sofa bed, which is kind of disappointing, but just based on the room location, that is the cards we've been dealt. So we just want to show you kind of what that room is like.
Yeah, I mean, you made a room request, but that's all it is. It's a request. It's not a guarantee.
Yeah, I requested the 5th floor, and I requested like the other end of the building. We did get 5th floor, but unfortunately, not necessarily the room exactly that we wanted, but
I'm sure it'll still be good.
Should still be good. So we will take you there now.
All right, let's go do it.
We'll make it through.
think this is going to conclude our stay here at Wilderness Lodge. I really love this place. If you go back and watch our other video, we kind of go over the grounds a little more. But the one bedroom that we had, I think it's awesome. I wish we could stay here more.
Yeah, the only thing I feel like I'm missing out on is being in the main lodge like we were with the Copper Creek room.
But you're not far away.
You're not, and it's a covered walkway to get over the main building, but I do kind of miss that feel like every time you come and go of being in the main building. I do think I prefer that, but it is a really nice, spacious room.
Yeah, and the bed's comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I just feel like it feels very homey here.
Yeah, we're always very relaxed at this resort, and then we get to the point where it's time to go home and we don't want to leave.
No, I mean, even just walking around, like I saw like a little bunny running around, and it's just, I don't know, you just feel like you're at nature, it's peaceful, you kind of forget you're at Disney World.
It's much more laid back. It's just, I don't know, we really enjoy this resort, and glad we got to come back and show you another room style.
Definitely be here again, for sure. All right, well, please like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and just remember,
If you can dream it.
you can do it.
See ya.
See ya.